I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV.
Today, let's look at Nordstrom, Apache, and Sanofi Aventis. Last night on Fast Money, guy's saying that he thinks Nordstrom's bottomed. He said, look, you want to go long here with a stop at $40, okay? Let's zoom out just a little bit, still using the daily chart. You can see the 200-day moving average is starting to be relevant. Price is still below that level, but it's moving up. My bet is we're probably going to get a test of this level right here. That's really the upside that I'd look to. So we got, a buck, maybe a buck and a half of upside before I'd expect some selling. Maybe we're already seeing it here because look, this was the last low. Move that over. There you go. Still, big whoosh downward. Now we're coming back up. I think Guy is right, but here's what I do. Don't put a stop at 40. Use 40 as your reference. A lot of times you get stocks like this that come back. They'll hit a bunch of stops set at 40, and that'll trigger a little bit more selling. Your stop gets hit, you sold, bam, then the stock moves up again. So instead, try using like 39.90. I know I'm quibbling, but you know what? Trust me, it matters. And Dan Dicker was on Fast Money last night. He's looking away from some of the big names in oil and looking at some of these with some really cheap valuations. He's looking at Apache, Anadarko, and Chesapeake. We're going to take a look at Apache because it looks better technically. I think there's more upside. Look, here's your resistance. We'll use the same kind of analysis we just did on Nordstrom. There's your resistance right there. We'll call it like a $1.15. Stock's now at a $1.03. Looks to me like that's about 12 bucks of upside, don't you think? And we've got a low put in right here. We'll call that about 95. Definitely far below this current level, so don't buy the thing right now and put a stop at 94 or 93. That's way too wide a stop. Instead, take the stock now. Any kind of pullback, maybe even use it to buy more as long as it stays above this level, and then look to sell when it becomes a teenager above 100. And then last but definitely not least is Sanofi Aventis. Kramer was talking about this last night on Mad Money. Kind of laughing actually because this drug stock, but they got a portion of their business in France. Everything in France was for sale yesterday. This one got crushed too, but you can see, generally speaking, the trend is higher. You just look at the lows. Sloppy trend line, but still, you can see a series of higher lows. This was way overdone, as you can see on the daily chart. We got a big, massive move down, for no apparent reason other than, hey, let's sell France, right? So now we got support right here. We'll call it 31 bucks. That's support. Big, massive volume day before yesterday on Wednesday. Now we're getting a little reversal here. I think you got to buy this stock right now. Don't give it a whole lot of room. I wouldn't even give it down to 31. I'd say put a stop at about 31.50, something like that. If the stock falls back down and you get hit, there's probably a reason for it and you don't want to be long the stock. I think you're going to make some money here. Okay, that's it for today. Look, I need you to do 2 things for me right now. First, get over to realmoney.com and subscribe. I publish articles 4 times a week. They're called Fitzbits with a bunch of charts in there and a bunch of good trading ideas. Look, all you need to do is take one of them with minimal shares and you're going to pay for your subscription to Real Money. So stop being a couch potato and get over there and do it. Also, you can go over to stockmarketmentor.com, sign up for my chart of the day email. I send them to you every evening. Videos about 5, 6, 7 minutes in length detailing a trade that I think you can make right here, right now. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.